Hello friends, this video is about different oxygen devices available in market. Every oxygen device will have something called flow meter. So here you can see the flow of oxygen. Usually the unit will be liter per minute. According to your flow requirement, you have to choose different devices that will be required for you. If your oxygen requirement is too high, you have to reach a hospital. But if you are getting treated in home, these are the three devices that is available in market. These are oxygen cylinders. They come in different sizes. Basically, the small sizes will be used for temporary movement in ambulance or in stretchers. These big ones can be used in home. If you want to get oxygen in your home, take two of these big cylinders, one for constant supply, one for backup, and one gets empty. You can get it refilled and get it back to your home. This is a device called oxygen concentrator. This will convert the atmospheric air, extract the oxygen in it, concentrate the oxygen and get it to you through mask. So if your oxygen requirement is lesser than 8 liters per minute, then you can go for this. One thing that I want you to know is that the concentration of oxygen in oxygen concentrator will be lesser than what it will be in the cylinders, because in cylinders it is 100% oxygen. Here it will convert the atmospheric air, so the concentration will be less. The amount of oxygen that you will get in 8 liter per minute pressure will be equivalent to 10 liter per minute pressure in oxygen concentrator. And there is another thing called oxygen can. This can be used for temporary use if you are someone who don't need oxygen consistently, but you may need oxygen in some situations, like when you're bathing or when you go to toilet, you'll feel tired or you feel breathlessness. You can use it at that instant. You just have to take a puff, breathe in, breathe out, and then again take a puff, breathe in, breathe out. So like this, if you do 4 to 5 times, your oxygen level will get to normal. I just want to inform you that I have made a video on important information about COVID. If you want to watch it, the suggestion will be there in the I button. If you feel the informations are important, please share it with the people who are in need of this information.